My home is very important to me. I treat the space I live in with a lot of care because to me, being surrounded by beauty and things that make you feel good is really important. Good morning. I work a lot on building contradictions, which I think is very Parisian, but trying to contrast masculine, feminine, old, new, expected, unexpected. I love beautiful things, I love beautiful objects, but I love it when they're functional. I cook a lot more at the restaurant than I do at home, and so a lot of that stuff has actually migrated to the Grand Cafe where aesthetically it fits in really well. I chose every object that's in this space. I chose every chair and every candle holder and every plate. My general rule is sort of, and I do this with cooking too, if it makes you smile, if it makes you happy and feel good, then you gotta get it. The Grand Cafe to me it's my family, it's my second home, and it's my baby. It's not just about how the food tastes when you eat it, it's about how you feel when you're here. Every little nuance should be affecting you, and I want the experience to be emotional. We're not looking for your attention on a plate. We're not over garnishing, but if you are here to pay attention to the food, you'll be rewarded. My name is Jamie Malone, and I'm a chef. I own Grand Cafe in South Minneapolis.